Hi, welcome back to This is Fenique, my YouTube channel. I'm Fenique, obviously. Today I am sharing with you some of my favorite GG cracker recipes. Keep in mind that if you are gluten-free, these are not exactly gluten-free, but link is in the description box so you can purchase the gluten-free version of GG crackers if you're gluten-free. Wait, stop. Did you subscribe to my channel yet? If you haven't, subscribe already. There's going to be tons for you to watch, even more every week. Subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button for the notifications. So, let's get into it. The first recipe I'm doing today is a spinach egg sandwich. I start with the spinach. First, I coat the heated pan with avocado oil. This is a wok pan that I've had for years, and it's easier for me to cook spinach in this type of pan. Next, I put chopped garlic in the pan. I let it char to the point where it's basically looking kind of burnt. Do better than me and cut this better because I did not. So I am going to try to mash that up in the pan so it comes apart better. Then drop in the chopped spinach. It was cleaned in ice water. I basically let it float in ice water and then strained the water off to the side and just dropped it in when it was ready. Once it's dropped in there, it will be wet from floating in the ice water. I did not try to dry it. Next, I season the spinach with a dash of sea salt, garlic powder, onion powder. Then after you put in that onion powder, be sure to mix this up a little bit and just let it cook a little bit more. Then just put in a few dashes of black pepper. You can let this char to your desired brownness, or at this point, you can just take it out. So that's what I'm going to do. Now we're moving on to the egg. I like to make a crispy sunny side up egg. So first I begin by pouring avocado oil in the heated pan. Then I season the pan so the bottom of the egg is actually seasoned. I use a little sea salt and a little pepper. At this point, I've already cracked my egg in a bowl separately so it's easy to place into this pan. Then you pour your egg in your pan gently. Season the top of it. I like to use black pepper, oregano, and crushed red pepper. But I think you should use whatever you like because it's your egg. I let it cook till it's crispy and brown on the sides. And then I take it out. I'm going to take one GG. Set it there. Take this. Drop it on here. Push that over. Takes the spinach. Put it on top of here. Like so, like that. Then, oopsie, put that GG right there. And now we have a spinach egg sandwich, vegetarian friendly, and absolutely delicious. So I'm standing in my kitchen, and I just want to show you guys the sandwich. Look at that yolk running down. Go in with a bite. Next, I'm making a simple GGlox. I've already spread my GGs with tofu cream cheese. It's dairy-free. It's what I use. But another good low-carb cream cheese is Kite Hill. I've heard a lot of great things. I've had it before. It's really delicious. Comes in multiple flavors. Normally, I would do 4 GGs as they're considered a good serving for lunch. Or these 2 are great for a snack. Next, I put smoked salmon on the GG. Then I'm going to take my everything but the bagel seasoning and top off my GGlox with that. I'm going to do the same to my other GG and just put the smoked salmon on there. Always remember to pick the smoked salmon of your choice, whatever you like in the store. I get whatever's on sale. So I'm going to top my next GG cracker with fresh rosemary. You can top yours with your favorite seasonings, whether it's capers or tomatoes, or you want to make this into some kind of smoked sandwich. Have fun with this. It's super simple. It's super easy. And it is very delicious and healthy. Lastly, we're going in with a fan favorite, GG pizza. Now, usually I'd eat about 4 of these, but I'm not as hungry today. I place my GGs on a pizza sheet covered by a piece of foil. Then I take out my marinara of choice, which is Rouse. It's the best to me and healthier than most of the tomato sauces and marinaras out there. I spread it on the GG. Then today I'm also using a dairy-free cheese, but I would recommend you use a low moisture mozzarella cheese if you can have cheese, because that's the best. Real cheese browns better and, in my opinion, always tastes better. So you sprinkle on as much cheese as you like, then season your pizza with oregano. I like to add in Italian seasoning and crushed red pepper, but feel free to add in whatever you like on your pizza as far as seasonings go. So I pop this in the oven on 375 and I let it get brown. I take it out and enjoy. It's really a super simple recipe. I will say that if you get real cheese, it looks even better and tastes even better, so I highly recommend. Now, disclaimer, I prefer regular cheese, but the girl's dairy-free. I have very bad cystic acne and don't always feel well if I have too much cheese, and I had some cheese already this week. So here we are. Very hot, crunchy. Love it. Let's talk about a few more recipes. So today you saw me making a spinach and egg sandwich on GG's. You saw me make GGlox. Absolutely delicious. You saw me make GG pizza, but there's a million different things you can do. You can always take those 2 pieces of bread and just have toast by putting your favorite jam on it. You can always make like the most delicious avocado toast. You can put Kite Hill cream cheese and go ahead and put tomatoes or cucumbers or what have you on them. There's so many things you can do. You can make a turkey sandwich with lettuce and tomato, a BLT on your GG. There's so many recipes. Don't let anything push you off from trying the GGs. I do recommend that you toast them. They seem to have a better crunch and not fall apart as much. And the texture changes just a little bit, that makes it even more delicious and more toasty. So definitely recommend you do that. I'm a major GG fan. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Hopefully you loved it and it was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. If you like this video, please press the like button for me and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.